come and then. They're not sticking. Huh? They're not sticking for some reason.
Sticking?
Yeah, they weren't.
Oh, sticking to the grill?
Yeah. Everything I want them to do. Do their little thing. They didn't stick. Yeah, but we'll come to making a what?
Double cheeseburger and fries.
What's the reason what I'm making right now?
Double onion and pickle.
Across the, what is it, small one? Yeah. And a fried container, please. where it's at, like on your shoulder. And you just wipe when you do that. Is that fine? You know what I'm talking about?
I didn't put extra sauce on there. I didn't put it that he wanted extra sauce.
Oh, a little more. That's how he likes it. I'm gonna overkill, you know me. I mean, I like mine a lot of times. Yeah, I think the grill's lower today. None of them are sticking. Look.
Could be the beef. I'm looking. I'm watching.
You think it's the beef? Usually I would do this and they would already be sticking. And then I could like swirl it around. When I do that now, it just like crumbles it. What would be wrong with the beef?
Not that anything's wrong with it.
No, I mean, what would cause that, I'm saying?
I don't know. Too cold. Almost cold on it.
You think it's cold?
I don't know.
That's the beef you've been using this whole time, right?
Yeah.
It was sticking for you?
No.
You know what I'm talking about though, right? Like when it doesn't stick to the grill. It's no garden, right? Just add bacon and sauce.
No. I think it's cold.
Okay, with another dash?
Yeah.
Green stuff.
Why do we bombard you?
Bombard.
Are you seasoning these
It's our
burgers?
long order. Huh?
Are you seasoning these burgers?
Yeah. You didn't see me do it?
Oh no, I wasn't saying that.
Yeah, these aren't smashed enough. They don't look bad, they're just not smashed.
That one is a plain bacon cheeseburger, bacon cheese and sauce.
Yo, pass the, some more fries. I'm gonna drop them in a second. Not crispy enough. just fries or one? Huh?
What you saying?
2 orders of just fries?
Yeah.
And you can pull a few more? Yeah, we got a bucket out front, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't overdo it now.
Alright, that's it. Sir, you have anything? Rock it up. Alright.
So 3x3s, right?
2 3x3s, no rocket sauce on both. One has ketchup, mustard, and mayo. The other just has ketchup and mustard.
We're getting rocket sauce then.
Alright. Well, I don't think you should put rocket sauce on that one. That's the I know where it's
Ketchup, mustard, and mayo is the rocket sauce.
but it has onion in it. And pickles. So you can put it on there. I don't think you should say anything. No. On that first one, though.
No, I know the one that just said ketchup.
Ketchup and mustard. Alright.
He's not smashing good. Look.
Are you trying to put too much pressure on it at the
No,
beginning?
I'm doing it the way I always do it.
I know that's all I'm saying. They're different speeds.
Usually they just stick.
Because it's been out like 2 days now, I think.
I'm afraid I'm not really smashing them enough or I'm over smashing them. Hey, you guys, if you're still watching, I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know a few things about what I'm experiencing this particular day on the food truck. So it's really hot today and I'm sweating a lot and I'm trying not to sweat on the food. So that's why you kind of see me wiping my, like I'm kind of wiping my face with my arm, if you notice that. And you might even see me grab a paper towel and wipe my face a few times with, you know, while the glove changes. And for some reason, I'm having an issue getting these burgers to really smash to perfection, which happens sometimes, like if the beef is too cold or if the grill's not hot enough or if the grill's too hot. It's like a science to smash burgers to get them smashed to perfection. So I'm having a few issues there. They're not really, the issue I was having is they're not sticking to the grill perfectly. So as I'm smashing them, they smash. But when you're creating a smash burger, you want them to actually stick to the grill. And then you want to have to peel it off of the grill with a scraper. So that way it stays spreaded as it cooks and it creates a crust. Now that wasn't happening today. Plus I'm hot. Me and my coworker are kind of trying to figure out what the issue is, that we couldn't figure it out. And yeah, look how easy these are to flip. Like I'm not scraping them. So that was the issue I was having, and it was making them shrink. And I keep asking him right here, like, what's happening? There I am wiping my face. But my phone's about to overheat, so you're not going to see me complete these burgers all the way. My phone started overheating, and it stopped recording, and it went to low temperature mode or high temperature mode, whatever that means there. But we try to have fun. I try to make it fun. It is hot. I live in Alabama. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button for more food truck videos. And if you guys want to see anything in the future, don't forget to mention that in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video, and good luck to everybody starting their food trucks.